Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T21 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to start by opening Devices settings. Now click on Connected Devices and select Connection Preferences. Finally, click on Printing. Tap on Default Print Service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different print service, you need to disable this one by clicking on this switcher next to Use Print Service. Then click on the back button and choose Add Service instead. Finally, install the best one for you, and when it's ready, click on the back button twice. Now just click on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!